Hey guys, so lately I've been hearing a lot of stepsisters out there are having trouble figuring out how to boil water. So today I'm going to show you guys how it's done. Now the best way to boil water is to just toss it in your rice cooker, but I know some of y'all don't have one, so I'm going to show you a less enlightened way. Now if you're using these lame white people pots, you're already doing it wrong. This is Asian cooking, so the only right answer is to get yourself that sexy wok, because that's how we do things around here. Now if you're not sure where to find the water, you can always use this mini bathtub that you see in a video here where you wash babies before deep frying them. Now for those of you who are ahead in the class and are using hot water so it boils faster, don't do that. Hot water from the pipes will put minerals in your water that might affect how food tastes when you cook them with that water. Always start with cold water. Now that we got our water, let's fire this baby up. Hell yeah. You'll want to put a lid over it as well so that it can reach boiling temperature faster. Now you just have to wait for it to boil. While you wait, you can think about how much your stepbrother would be impressed when he sees your boiled water. He probably won't be though. Let's check our water now. When it's ready, it should look all hot and bothered like this. It smells lovely. Let's go ahead and plate this. Maybe we should be a little fancy and add some garnishes. Let me ask my friend to help out. Hey, Carlito! Hey yo, let me get some of your spicy Mexican lettuce, bro. Alright, my bad. And done. And that's how you boil water. I hope this helps all you stepsisters out there to become an independent stepwoman who don't need no stepbros help to boil water. If all y'all want some more rice boils recipe, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next episode.